it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 17. If you've had a career for a really long time and done some things you've really not enjoyed, but it put some food on your table and a roof over your head, you don't have to do that right now. So now is the time to do things that you love. Whether it's a hobby, whether it's a form of activity, playing certain games like tennis or pickleball or golf or, tabletop tennis, whatever it is, think of some things that you love to do, and this is the time to do them. Maybe you love to play board games. Find a group of people who do the same thing. Find some connections with others. Do the things you love. This is the time for you to make decisions. And I talked way back in one of my other videos about making schedules and having a schedule and having a plan. Well, that needs to fit into your schedule. That needs to fit into your plan. Enjoy your life. Do what you love. This is your time in retirement. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.